The Westwood is a very unique transparent overdrive from our friends at Earthquaker Devices. A Twin Peaks inspired stomp box that's touch sensitive, incredibly clean sounding, and pairs great with a cup of coffee and a piece of cherry pie from the Double R. With a very powerful and dialable active EQ section, this pedal can be shaped into any light to medium drive tone. It'll work wonders with a small tube combo, as it does with a high-powered stack, given its ample headroom. There's plenty of rich harmonics and delightful sustain abound in this wonderful little box. Think of it as a very clean tube screamer with a ton more level and a much more usable EQ section. Let's take a listen. Let's hear what the Westwood sounds like pushing the amp very hard. Let's push the amp a little bit less and see what happens. Now let's crank up the drive and see how the amp reacts. And finally, let's hear what the Westwood sounds like with the drive cranked and the volume rolled down.